Hi, I'm Shweta, currently pursuing by biomedical engineering in Agni College. Many students feel overwhelmed by the options when trying to decide where to spend the next 4 years of their lives. It can be tough to make decisions, but in the end, you're the only one who can really decide what college is best for you. Now I'm here to give you an idea about Agni College and mainly about biomedical engineering department. First and foremost important about the college is infrastructure, where I can assure you that we are eco-friendly. Next thing we require is faculties from whom we can gain knowledge and they are an ultimate role of our career. Faculties in our college are highly skilled and ready to help you both academically and personally. Other major benefits are the college mainly focus on placements like they provide 800 hours of campus hiring. Technical and aptitude training has been provided to the students from day one of their college. In our college, we have 300 startups when we are entrepreneurs and we can earn money while learning because of this wonderful opportunity. This is the overview about the college on a whole. Now I'm here to explain about biomedical engineering. What is biomedical engineering? Biomedical engineering is identified as one of the best engineering branches in the country, which combines biology and engineering. We are applying engineering principles and materials to medicine and healthcare. Now we are going to see how biomedical department functioning in our college. This biomedical department is most popular in our college. The faculties are experienced and highly skilled. The undergraduate program in biomedical engineering broadly aim at equipping the students to address medical and biological problems through the use of engineering principles and problem solving techniques. Theoretical and practical training has been provided to the students. They are laboratory training, anatomical, physiological laboratory, microbiological, biomedical instrumentation, diagnostic, digital signal processor. Special training and up-to-date information about the biomedical engineering practices has been provided to the students with the help of a reputed company called Siemens Healthcare Company. To have practical knowledge and internships to the students, the department has signed MOUs with 12 functional units. Here we go. I conclude by saying these words. If you study in Agni College, you will be having a bright future ahead. In Agni, where engineering is not taught, it is practiced. Thank you.